Alright guys, welcome to Kizomba Phoenix. I am going to demonstrate how to register for our online classes from our homepage. You're going to scroll down and click on Join Us. Once you click Join Us, you'll be taken to this page where you will have either the choice to register by clicking from the top menu, or you can click Register from the button on the page. Either way will take you to this page right here, where this is the online class registration page, where you have the option between our weekly online passes, the 4 weeks course, the 12 weeks intensive course, or our yearly pass. We recommend the yearly pass. However, the 1 week, you can just stick to a 1 week pass, 4 weeks for the course, or 12 weeks course. Okay, so here you can select either one of these options, whichever fits your plan and budget. Just so you know, the 5 weeks is our weekly classes. The 4-week course is for a month or 4 weeks, and our 12 weeks intensive is kind of like a boot camp, which will take you from 0 to hero. And let's say you select the 4 weeks course, you will be taken to this page where first we'll need to sign in. As you can see right now, I'm signed in. However, if I was not signed in, like right now, I just logged out. All I need to do is sign up using either my PayPal. Using my Facebook account. Here you can use your Facebook account to log in. It will ask you, you say yes, and now you are logged in. As you can see here, I am logged in. So once you create an account or you're logged in, all you have to do is come over here, enter your payment information. We take also PayPal. We'll take you to PayPal. If you're taking the PayPal, it will take you, all you will need to do is click buy now, and we'll take you through the whole purchasing process. Once you purchase, all you have to do is click here to enter your online studio. Now that you're here online studio, because you signed up for the 4 weeks, you are going to click on the 4-week courses. Click on the 4 weeks course will take you here. This is our 4 weeks course. Here you'll be able to download our student package, join our Facebook group, register for student community, and there's different options here. Bonus material, download the music there, and every week is organized. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. You'll be able to just click on any one of these and watch the video for that specific week. Okay, so that is all, folks. If you have any question, make sure to contact us here. We respond to all messages and emails and text messages and Facebook messages as well. So we are excited to have you with us and hope to see you in class. See you soon. Bye bye.